Morning student. Today we are going to see science class. In last class we saw about the separation of waste. Whatever things we can use it again or in the form of another way, it's all biodegradable. And the blue box, it's a recycle. So what are the things we can recycle it in another form, and non-recyclable we can't use it for anything. So these are the separations of the waste. And waste collection and transportation. Once we separate our waste in our homes and schools, it is important to keep it ready to picked up by our municipality or corporation. So whoever coming to a house and collecting the garbage, we have to make it a separate at our home. See, the products of the whatever waste things, it's we are getting from cooking. See, for example, onion skin and potato skin and wastage of tomato and others, the vegetable things, you should have to keep it in a separate covers. And whatever the polythene covers and milk packet cover and bread cover and biscuit covers, other things all you have to keep it in a separate cover. This all the come in a non-recyclable or recyclable. The wastage of the food items, it's all biodegradable. So you have to separate the things and make it ready for the people, those who are coming, corporation people, to you have to make it ready as a separate ones, and they come and collect it through their vehicle. See, these are the vehicle, it's coming to our place, right? So they collect the garbage thing. In the green thing is a biodegradable and red thing is a non-recyclable. So they're collecting and separating the things and they take it to their place. There what they'll do, waste recycling and composting. I told you, right, whatever things we are getting from the food wastages, that's all come under a biodegradable waste. It's taken to the place where they convert into composite. So the composite is nothing but the fertilizer. So they make it and dumped and add some phosphorus, some other chemicals to make it a composite. It's very useful for the trees to grow. It's a good fertilizer. So they make it the biodegradable waste into composite. Composite make a soil fertile, right? Next, non-biodegradable, turn into something new recyclable waste. For example, I told you the waste paper, all the things, they make it into new cardboard for you make a useful things, and valuable taken to a recycling factory. So non-biodegradable they take to the recycling factory. And next thing, see, this is a biodegradable composite. In Eva and Mitnamalli also there is a waste separation place there. They'll separate the things and they make it as a biodegradable things and they make to composite. And see, this is a non-biodegradable, they make into recycling. So they're separating the things. So now waste disposable, how we'll have to dispose. Already I told you, right, cannot be recycled, and whatever things, it's a open dump and landfill. It will, we have to make a trash box, and see, we have to give the non-recyclable things in a red box and biodegradable things in a green box. In the factory they remove the unwanted things, and whatever they make as a recycling, they'll remove the wastage and send the recycling things to the machine, and there they sort the many things. See, water bottle and banana leaf, shells of the egg, and here cardboard, and here plastics. They are sorting. Sorting means they are separating. See, this is a transportation vehicle, yeah, taking to their place, and they'll do the all the activities, separations, composite and recycling, all things there they will do in their place. So up to this we'll finish the class. Remaining things we'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you.